Hello, my name is Ala. Today I'm here to do some Ielts reading test together. Cambridge 14, page 41. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question number 9. At the very first, I should find some keywords, right? So let's start. Was born in Scotland in 1831. Numbers are always important, so 1831, the first keyword. The next one, father was a blah blah blah. Father is important here. Father was a what? Was a teacher, was a farmer. I try to guess. So here I should find a job, I guess. I'm not sure. I have two keywords. Also, Scotland is important. So let's go to page 38 and find the keywords. Here I have the number and also Scotland. For father, I also should search for some words which are related to it, like a daughter, son, family maybe, anything. So let's go. I search from right to left. Agree? Here. Okay, I found son. Actually, I find son. And also here, grandfather. These words are related to the word father. Okay, we should find something for father. Father was a what? Was the son of a successful merchant. So the father was a merchant. So I write merchant here. And I pay attention to the dictation also. So the first one, done. Let's go to the next question, which is number 10. People bought Henderson's photos because photography took up considerable time and the blah 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 was heavy. Something and something else was heavy. And here is very important. Means that we should find time and then we can easily find the next word. For this sentence, I cannot find anything special, but here I can find the word landscape. I can easily find this word in the text, okay? And the other one, the word that I can easily find in the text would be souvenirs. Here, okay? I can find these words. You should be very smart which words you are choosing, okay? Let's go. So I need something. I have the keyword time. It should be between two words, which are landscape and souvenirs. Let's go. I have something. Here again the number and I find it at the first. 1866. Let's go. I should find this one. This is 1865, so I'm sure that I should go further. Here, 1866. I find this number, then I continue. Landscape. I search the text and I don't read the text. It's very important not to read the text. Be careful. Here, the word landscape, I found it. Now, I want time and it should be before the word souvenir. Let's go. Here, time, no time. The next one, I know what words I'm looking at. For example, human activity. I'm careful. Farming, okay? Please be careful about the words. Stream, for example, river. But no time. No time. Late. It's somehow related to the word time. Am I right? Late. Oh, exactly the word time itself here. Time-consuming techniques. Exactly. So let's go to this page. Considerable time and what? What was heavy? Let's find it. Time and what was heavy? Weight of the equipment. So here the answer is equipment. So I write the exact word equipment here. So this question is done. Let's go to the next question. We had a word souvenir. Do you remember? So let's go something or souvenirs. Before going through the text, I want you to do something. Read it. The photographs Henderson sold were blah 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 or souvenirs. What and souvenirs? Can you guess? For example, I think gifts and souvenirs, presents and souvenirs. Do you have any other idea? Okay, let's go. Here, after this question, okay, I have souvenir here. Souvenir or, I should find, or, yeah, that's right, gifts. Do you remember? I told you. I guessed actually. I wasn't sure. Actually, now I find it in the text. Good. Let's go and write it here. Gifts. Be careful about this S, okay? Because here we have gifts. And also here I write gifts. The next question, which is number 12. Let's go. Took many trips along eastern rivers in a... Okay, what should we do? We should guess. Can you guess which words are the words that we are seeking for, we are looking for? Something like boat, maybe, raft, maybe. And eastern river, actually eastern is my keyword. And also these numbers, again, they are very important here. Let's go and find these numbers, exactly this one. And then eastern, eastern here. Eastern rivers. And I should find something. Took many trips along eastern rivers in a what? Actually, I'm not reading the text. I'm searching for a word, like a boat, like anything. I don't read it. Let's do it together. There isn't something here, no? Traveled by, like I traveled by taxi, by car, okay, by anything. And this word is my answer. Why? Because it was in a something, and here is by something. And I don't know the meaning of the word canoe, but I guess. And 90% I'm sure that this word is the answer, because I cannot find something else. Let's do it together. In a what? In a what? Construction? No. In photographs? No. In a region? No. It doesn't make sense, okay? The only word that makes sense here is the word canoe. And I write it C-A-N-O-E. And the last question, let's do it together. Worked for CPR, great keyword, okay? 1885, again, perfect. Photographed the blah blah blah. What is this? Something and the railway at the Rogers Pass. Something and railway and the railway. Now he photographed. I should find something like CPR 1885, photographed, and also Rogers Pass. Let's go and find Rogers Pass because I'm sure this is CPR, Rogers Pass, because they are very easy to find. And what else? It was a year 1885 here. Now we have photographs here. And now it's your turn. I want you to actually give me the answer of this question. I'm waiting for you. Which word would you choose for this question? Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and also give me the answer in the comments down below. I'm waiting for you. Thank you. Goodbye.